gonna do a science experiment, and it also kind of goes with what we've been talking about with volcanoes. So in this instance, you need vinegar, baking soda, and some like liquid detergent. So I have some liquid detergent in here that I also filled with some warm water a little bit so I can pour in here. And then in like a bottle, you could use a bottle, you could use a glass too, but I wanted to use a bottle so the spout opening was a little smaller. You want to fill this up with warm water. I didn't fill it all the way up, I filled it up, you know, a little more than halfway, but I'm also going to add some more in just a minute because there's liquid detergent in here. Okay, so I want you to predict what you think will happen once I add the vinegar and the baking soda. What do you think will happen? Clue, we just kind of talked about volcanoes, so I bet you can make a really good inference. First, what we're going to do, I have like a funnel right here. So I'm going to have the funnel and I'm going to pour just a little bit of this in here. This is, remember, warm water and a little bit of liquid detergent. So I don't know how, there we go. And then I'm also going to pour some vinegar in here. So we're going to add some vinegar now. I'm just going to put it through my funnel. Okay. And now I'm going to, whoa there, I'm going to add some baking soda. So once I add the baking soda, what do you think is going to happen? There's going to be a chemical reaction. Whoa! So now we're going to try one with a bigger opening. So I have my warm water in there with some liquid detergent. I'm going to add some vinegar, and now I'm going to add the baking soda. And let's see if, do you think it will look different than when we did one with a smaller top? Let's see. See how it comes out slower? But it's still exploding. Kind of like the different volcanoes. Some come out slower, some are, remember, explosive and come out quicker. So what happened was the vinegar and the baking soda, they mixed together and it formed like a chemical reaction. And what happened was it was building all this pressure and it had to release, so it came out through the spout to get that pressure to get released, and then it changed into carbon dioxide and some air, which is what state of matter? Gas, right? So it changed into gas, and so it kind of erupted. So this was kind of like the lava flow. It could represent the lava flow coming out. So in a volcano, right, the volcano has the crater at the top and the magma is at the bottom, remember, and then when it comes out and it reaches Earth's surface, that's the lava. So when it exploded, that's kind of like the lava coming out.